Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. In this video, we're going to review the WolFAce 24/26-inch mountain bike, perfect for adult students. This bike comes with an undefined variable speed car folding double disc brake shock absorption, making it a comfortable ride. And that's not all. When you buy this spoke wheel mountain bike, you also get a set of value packages, which includes an air nozzle lamp, car lock, small bell, chain guard, installation tool, mudguard, and paint touch-up pen. But wait, there's more. If you buy a 3-wheel or 6-wheel mountain bike, you'll get a set of luxury gift package, which includes a paint fixer, little bells, installation tools, car lock, pump, aluminum alloy flashlight, care chain affixed, front beam package, splasher, and bottle cage. However, due to the current shortage of parts, some wheels may be replaced by the following decals. So please take note of that before purchasing. Overall, the WolFAce mountain bike is an excellent choice for those who love to explore the outdoors. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy one for yourself.